Picture this: a pristine blue expanse of ocean where Christopher Columbus once sailed, where modern cruise ships carry thousands of passengers daily, and where commercial aircraft trace regular flight paths overhead. Yet this seemingly ordinary stretch of water between Miami, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico has become synonymous with one of the world's most enduring mysteries. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle, a region that has captured imaginations and sparked debates for decades about whether its reputation stems from ancient supernatural forces or simply the harsh realities of maritime navigation. The legend of the Bermuda Triangle began long before it earned its ominous name. Indigenous peoples of the Caribbean spoke of cursed waters in their oral traditions, describing areas where spirits of the sea would claim vessels that dared to trespass. When European explorers arrived, they brought their own superstitions. Christopher Columbus himself documented strange compass readings and mysterious lights dancing above the waves during his 1492 voyage through these waters. His crew reported that their compass needles behaved erratically, pointing away from magnetic north in ways they had never witnessed before. The modern mythology of the Bermuda Triangle crystallized in the 20th century with a series of high-profile disappearances that captured public attention. The most famous case occurred on December 5, 1945, when Flight 19, a squadron of 5 U.S. Navy torpedo bombers, vanished during a routine training mission. The flight leader reported that his compass was malfunctioning and that everything looked wrong, even the ocean. Radio communications grew increasingly confused before cutting out entirely. A rescue aircraft sent to find them also disappeared without a trace. No wreckage from any of the 6 aircraft was ever recovered, despite extensive search efforts covering thousands of square miles. This incident, combined with other mysterious disappearances over the decades, fueled speculation about supernatural forces at work in the region. Theories emerged ranging from ancient Atlantean technology still functioning beneath the waves to extraterrestrial bases hidden in underwater caverns. Some proposed that the triangle sits atop a dimensional portal where the laws of physics operate differently, causing ships and aircraft to slip into parallel universes. Others suggested that the lost civilization of Atlantis had left behind powerful crystals that interfere with modern navigation equipment and create temporal anomalies. These supernatural explanations gained tremendous popular appeal, spawning countless books, documentaries, and films. The Bermuda Triangle became a cultural phenomenon, with authors like Charles Berlitz selling millions of copies of books detailing the region's alleged paranormal activity. The triangle was said to possess an almost conscious malevolence, selectively targeting vessels and aircraft while leaving others completely unharmed. However, when researchers began applying rigorous scientific analysis to the Bermuda Triangle phenomenon, a very different picture emerged. Maritime records reveal that the number of incidents in this region is statistically consistent with other heavily trafficked areas of ocean worldwide. The triangle encompasses one of the busiest shipping lanes on Earth, with thousands of vessels passing through annually. Given this volume of traffic, the number of accidents and disappearances actually falls within normal expected ranges. The geography and meteorology of the region provide rational explanations for many mysterious incidents. The Gulf Stream, a powerful ocean current that flows through the area, can quickly sweep away debris from accidents, making recovery efforts extremely difficult. The stream moves at speeds of up to 4 miles per hour and can carry wreckage hundreds of miles from its original location within days, explaining why so little physical evidence is found after incidents. Weather patterns in the region are notoriously unpredictable and can change with deadly speed. The area is prone to sudden, violent storms that can develop within minutes, catching even experienced mariners off guard. Waterspouts, essentially tornadoes over water, form frequently and can destroy small aircraft or boats with little warning. The shallow waters around the Bahamas create complex wave patterns that can overwhelm vessels, while underwater topography features sudden dramatic depth, changes that affect both surface conditions and magnetic compass readings. The compass anomalies that have long been cited as evidence of supernatural activity have a straightforward scientific explanation. The Bermuda Triangle is one of only two places on Earth where magnetic north and true north align perfectly. This phenomenon, known as agonic line variation, can confuse navigators unfamiliar with the local magnetic conditions. When compasses point to true north instead of magnetic north, navigation errors are almost inevitable for those unprepared for this variation. Modern satellite tracking and communication technology have dramatically reduced the mystery surrounding the region. Today's vessels and aircraft are monitored continuously, and when incidents do occur, search and rescue teams can respond with unprecedented speed and precision. The era of ships and planes simply vanishing without explanation has largely ended, not because supernatural forces have diminished, but because our to track and understand maritime and aviation incidents has improved exponentially. The Bermuda Triangle remains a fascinating study in how legends develop and persist in the modern age. While ancient curses and supernatural forces make for compelling storytelling, the evidence overwhelmingly supports natural explanations for the region's reputation. The real mystery may not be what supernatural forces lurk beneath these waters, but rather how a combination of geographic factors, statistical probability, and human imagination combine to create one of the world's most enduring myths in an age of scientific understanding.